Hello, so we are doing the chapter 2 homework for the YouTube. So the problem is number 5. It's asking the formula for computing the final amount if one is earning compound interest is given on Wikipedia as this formula, and the values are assigned. P is the principal amount, R as the annual or nominal interest, N is the number of times, and T is the time of years. So we're gonna assign this values 1008%, 12 to the principal, R and N respectively, and then we're gonna prompt the user to enter the number of years T so we can calculate A. Okay, so let's go ahead and open a new Python interpreter. So we go into Python. So we can open a new file, the editor, so we can save our file. So as you can see, I have two windows here. We can close this one. So let's assign the values here. P is 10,000. So we don't have to use this comma as Python won't recognize it. So it's gonna be 10, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Cool. And our R is 8%, which is 8 divided by 100, or we can do 0.08. And our what else is given? So our N is also given. N is 12. And then T, we're gonna prompt the user. So we're gonna say T is equals to input. Then we can say please enter the number of years. Maybe let's say you want the money compounded for. Okay, I think we're going out of the space. So please enter the number of years you want the money to be compounded for. So basically this sentence I'm writing doesn't really matter. When I say it doesn't really matter, I'm not saying it does really matter, but not for Python. This is just for visual understanding of the person, but not basically for the Python program. So I think I'm getting out of space here, so I'm gonna do this. So we can add this, then comma. We want to find the value of A, right? Okay, and then let's define A. So if we want this to be an basically we want this to be an int. Int means integer. Okay. Now let's define the function we have here. So it's a is equals to a is defined as p times 1 plus r divided by n. So we do double asterisk because we want to be the power. So 1 plus r over n to the power of n plus t. So this is our final amount. So this is, we can just do this print your final amount is comma a. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and save this file. I'm gonna save it on chapter 2 as ch02. Oh, I think it's homework. Number 5 dot test dot py. I'm gonna go ahead and run this. Am I missing something here? You see the final amount is 10, 9 or something. So I'm gonna go this copy. Now paste this. I'm gonna comment this out and I'll save this and I'll exit. So I think that's all I have for you today. Thank you.